Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk on the topic of thoracic outlet syndrome. Thoracic outlet is an area in the upper aperture of the chest in between the clavicle, the first rib and the scalene muscles. Thoracic outlet is a neurovascular condition which occurs due to compression of the subclavian artery, the brachial plexus, the subclavian vein in the region of the thoracic outlet. The causes are as follows. It may be congenital, a trauma, atherosclerotic factors, bony abnormalities such as a cervical rib, bifid first rib, fusion of the first and the second rib, previous thoracoplasty, scalenus anticus syndrome, costoclavicular syndrome, nor ergonomic posture. Types of thoracic outlet syndrome. Neurogenic thoracic outlet syndrome, which occurs due to compression of the brachial plexus nerves. 95% of the cases occurs here. Arterial, due to compression of the subclavian artery. Venous, due to compression of the subclavian vein. Signs and symptoms, which occurs due to nerve compression, are pain and paresthesia, tingling sensation, motor weakness of hand and arm, sharp burning or aching pain, hypoesthesia, anesthesia. Which occurs due to arterial compression are coldness and weakness, fatigability of the hand and arm, venous compression, venous distension, edema, discoloration of the hand and arm, Paget-Scrotter syndrome, which is a painful, swollen and blue arm. Diagnosis can be done by taking the history. Physical examination consists of Edson's test, Ruth's test, Wright's maneuver, military brace test. Radiographs can be seen of the chest and of the cervical spine. And EMG, NCV, MRI and a Doppler arteriography also helps. Treatment. The non-operative management can be done by medication such as analgesics, NSAIDs, tricyclics, muscle relaxants, anticonvulsants. Stress avoidance by not lifting heavy objects, not repeating overhead activities, by not carrying heavy backpack and abnormal posture. Physiotherapy management can be done by taking ultrasound, tense, active neck exercises, scalenus muscle stretching, strengthening of the upper trapezius muscle. These are the home exercises. Surgical management. Surgical resection of a segment of the first rib, scalenectomy, removal of cervical rib, vascular surgery such as the subclavian venous thrombectomy, subclavian endarterectomy. Thank you.